The mighty God works on behalf of his people. It's not just that God exists and his mighty power is absolute and complete and eternal, but he has created the universe, he's spun it into existence, and then he has stepped back and he's just sort of let things unfold the way that human history is going to unfold. That's not the God that we are talking about here. This God created the universe in his mighty power, but is now at work on behalf of his people with his mighty power, especially the birth of Jesus Christ. Friends, the exercise of God's might on our behalf is always good. It's always good. I love this little verse, Psalm 119, verse 68. The psalmist says this about God: "You are good and you do good." Think about that. It's just half of the verse, but it's an incredible thought to hang on to. You are good and you do good. God's might exercised on behalf of his people. All human power, no matter how well-intentioned, is always laced with our sin and with our shortcomings, with our inability to control events in the future, will eventually be replaced by the next person with even more influence and power. But God's kingdom can never be disturbed by human power. It cannot be overturned. It cannot cause stumbling in the work of God when humans exercise their own power. The way Scripture puts it is that human kingdoms can be shaken. But in Hebrews chapter 12, verse 28, we are told, "Therefore let us be grateful for receiving a kingdom that cannot be shaken."